Good morning once again. Now we are to discuss with the new segment of medicinal chemistry, new unit, new topic. It is related with the medicinal chemistry, that is steroids. We are to discuss in the steroids as per your syllabus is concerns, sex hormones, some drug which is used for the erectile dysfunctionings, some drugs which is used for the control of, that is oral contraceptives, and corticosteroids and thyroid antithyroid drugs. These are the syllabus related with the medicinal chemistry 2 syllabus as per the Pharmacy Council of India. Now we have to discuss with the sex hormone, that is androgens. In this today's sessions, we have to discuss the steroidal part, that is androgens, and their steroids, that is anabolic steroids. This part we have to discuss in this sessions. What is androgens? Androgen, nothing but it's a male sex hormones are synthesized from cholesterols in the testes and adrenal cortex. This is a relative with the androgen. Androgen, nothing but it's a male sex hormones synthesized from cholesterols. Where the present? In the testes and adrenal cortex. With the help of that, these androgens are prepared in the human body. The follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH, and intestinal cell stimulating hormones are released under regulation of the hypothalamus. These hormones promote spermatogenesis. Which hormones? Follicle stimulating hormones promote spermatogenesis, whereas intestinal cell stimulating hormone stimulates intestinal Leydig cells to secrete androgens. These hormones are very important to produce androgens, secretion of androgens. In the liver, androgens are formed in the C21 steroids, and the ovary also secretes small amount of androgens. This androgen, nothing but it's a male sex hormones, which is produced in the form of C21. There is 21 carbon atom in the steroidal moiety. Containing hormones are called as androgens. The main activities of androgens are like that. First activities, androgenic or mixed sex, male sex characteristic promoting activity, which includes normal development of the human beings, functioning of the human beings, maintenance of the male sex organs, and sexual characteristics. The compound with androgenic activity is called as androgens, means which producing the promoting the sexual characters in the form of male sex organs, and their sexual characteristics was developed or promoted by these androgens, and those are the agents which producing the androgenic activity. That agents are called as androgens. And second main activity of the androgens are anabolic activity, that is muscle building activity. The compound with the anabolic activity are called as anabolic agents. Means building muscle building activity producing agents are called as anabolic agent. It causes nitrogen retentions by increasing the rate of protein synthesis, decreasing the rate of protein catabolisms, and thus produce laying down of new tissues. These are the main two activities of androgen, that is promoting the male sex characteristics and promoting muscle building activity due to the anabolic agents. Now we have to move with the androgens and the agents which produces the androgenic activity. The first compound, that is testosterones. These are the hormones. This is a primary sex hormone. Which type of? Male sex hormones. This testosterone is the primary male sex hormones and anabolic steroid. In male humans, Testosterone plays a key role in the development of male reproductive systems, such as testes, prostate, as well as promoting secondary sexual characteristics, such as increased muscle, bone mass, and growth of body hair. These are the secondary sexual characteristics also increased by this drug, that is testosterone. The structure of testosterone like that. This is steroidal moiety C21, androgenic activity. Here in this testosterone, there are 18 carbon atom present in the structures. This moiety is steroidal moiety with phenanthrene moiety along with 5-member cyclopentane ring present in the structure. This is a steroidal moiety. In steroidal moiety, there is a various substitutions and to produce concerned steroidal product. This is structure of testosterone, and their numbering start from this A ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Total 17 is the phenanthrene along with cyclopentane ring. This is a basic moiety present, and whatever the modifications, it will produce the concerned steroidal structures. IPC name or systemic name for testosterone is a 17 beta hydroxy, means this ones. This hydroxy group is beta positions. Androst 4En, that is this double bond present at fourth positions, and this 3-ONE means this double bonded oxygen, that is keto group present in third positions. Or you have to directly written 17 beta hydroxy 4 androstenedione 3-ONE. This is a systemic name or IPC name for testosterone. There are various use of these testosterones. Generally, this testosterone is used for the males with primary hypogonadisms, that is testicular dysfunctions. In that conditions, these testosterone hormones are used. It also used for secondary hypogonadisms, that is failure of the hypothalamus or pituitaries. In that conditions, the testosterone are given. It is also used to treat osteoporosis, decrease muscle strength. For building the muscle activity, this testosterone are given. It may also use in the treatment of wasting syndromes such as HIV, cancers like conditions. These agents also use. This testosterone is used to treat hereditary angioneuritic odemia conditions. This drug is used. It is also used as a replacement of reduced or absent endogenous testosterone. In that condition also, these drugs are used. It is also used for palliative treatment of breast carcinoma in post-menopausal women. And it is also used in drugs suffering from aging andropause, that is male menopause conditions. These drugs are used testosterone, that is partial androgen deficiency in the aging males. Those are aged persons, aged male persons. They are suffering from this andropause. And these drugs also given with other androgens in the male for replacement therapy. Now, second drug in this androgenic category, that is nandrolones. Nandrolones has a very high ratio of anabolic to androgenic activity. This drugs is the parent compound of the large group of AS, and anabolic androgenic activity group. Nandrolins, also known as 19 nortestosterone. The short form for this drug is 19NT, or estrolones is an androgens and anabolic steroids. It is specifically C19's demethylated analog of testosterone. Means at 19 position there is a no methyl groups were present in the testosterone. These are the groups of these drugs. And these drugs having variety of esters of nandrolones have been marketed and usually medicinally, such as nandrolones, decanoate, nandrolones, phenylpropionate. These are the esteric forms present in the market. The structure of nandrolones is like that. It is very similar to the testosterone, but the difference is instead of androgens, there is estrogens, C19's carbon atom present in the structures. Their IPC name 17 beta hydroxy estra 4En 3-ONE or estra 4En 17BOL 3-ONE. You have to return IPC name in these forms, or 19 nandrolose 4En 17 beta OL 3-ONE. This is the IPC name for these nandrolones. Their uses, these drugs is used as a anabolic steroids used in the treatment of hypoplastic anemia and suboptimal growth of the children. These drugs also used in the breast cancer carcinoma conditions. These drugs also used in the hereditary angioedema. These drugs also useful in the treatment of osteoporosis in post-menopausal women. This is related with the nandrolones. Now, third hormones, androgenic hormone, that is progesterone. Progesterone, it is one of the most important female sex hormones. Opposite to testosterone, the activity is progesterone. That's a primary female sex hormones. It is a hormone secreted by the corpus luteum in the ovary. Small amount are also secreted by the testis in the male, just like testosterone also secreted in the ovary in the small amount, whereas the progesterones also form in small amount in male, and the adrenal cortex in the both sexes, and large amount are secreted in the placenta. It plays an important role in the menstrual cycles in the females in maintaining early stages of the pregnancy. This progesterone also plays the role in woman. Progesterone is essential for the separation of ovulations and for the embryo. It works on the uterus, mammary glands, and brain. There is a structure of progesterone. It contains 21 carbon atom present in the steroidal moiety. In steroidal moiety, it contains C21 carbon atom present in the structure. This is steroidal moiety, 17 carbon phenanthrene along with cyclopentane ring. These are the 17 carbon atoms. These are 18, 19, 20, and 21. Total 21 carbon atom present in the progesterone. Their IPC name is pregnant 4-ENE for this double bond present in the structure. 320 diones. These are 20 carbon atoms and third positions containing keto groups. That's why it is given diones. Or you can represent this name in the form of 4 pregnant 3,20 diodes. This is the IUPAC name for this progesterones. Now we have to move with the Uses of progesterone. Generally, this progesterone used in the combination with the hormone estrogens to oppose estrogen as a part of hormone replacement therapy. In that conditions, this progesterone are used. It is used in the abnormal uterine bleedings, prevent the uterine cancers. It also protect endometriums, that is lining of the uterus. It is also used to reduce symptoms associated with the menopause. It is also used in the treatment of habitual abortions. It also used to reduce adverse effect of the synthetic hormones. And it also sometimes used by people to try in the treatment of thyroid problems, osteoporosis like conditions. This progesterone is also sometimes used for that patients. Apart from progesterone, we have to move with the fourth drug, that is estrogen. Estriol, it is a hydroxylated metabolite of estradiols, or called as ostrol, having a hydroxy group at C3 positions, where you have to see in the earlier three drugs having keto group. Instead of keto group, there is a hydroxy group in this estrols at 16 alpha positions and 17 beta position. The hydroxy group is present in ostrotriols. Triols means 3 hydroxy group present in the structures. These triols, name itself indicate 3 hydroxy group, where at 17 position, 16 positions, and third positions. This dotted line indicating the alpha positions, whereas solid line indicating beta positions, means behind the plane, above the plane, alpha, which indicating the hydroxy group present in the estrols. It is a principal urinary estrogens, estrol. It is formed in a large quantity by the placenta during the pregnancy. This is structure of estrol. The IPC name is Estra 135 10 trines 316 alpha 17 beta triols, that is hydroxy groups, or nothing but it is given 16 alpha hydroxy estradiols. In estradiol conditions, this hydroxy group is substituted at 16 position. The name of this drug is called as oestrol. Generally, these drugs are used for the testing the general health of an unborn fetus. Now, fifth drugs in this category, that is oestradiols. Earlier drug is oestradiol. This is oestradiols. Oestradiols are nothing but it's called as 17 beta estradiol. It is naturally occurring hormones which circulated endogenously in the human body. It is most potent form of mammalian oestrogenic steroids. It is the major female sex hormone rather than the male sex hormones. The structure of estradiols, the 17 and 3 position is a hydroxy group is present. So their name is Estra 135. Trines means there is a 3 double bond present in the structures and the ring of steroid A ring having 3 double bonds. 17 and 3 positions there is a hydroxy group, that is diols. 2 hydroxy group present in the structures. That's why their name is Estra 135 10 trines 317 beta diols. Their uses of estradiols, it is used in moderate to high vasomotor symptoms and vulnerary and vaginally atrophy. Because of menopause, these drugs are used. It is used for the treatment of hypoestrogenism due to hypogandism, castrations, or primary ovarian failures. In that conditions, these drugs are used. It is indicating for the prevention of post-menopausal osteoarthritis conditions. These drugs are used, osteotropics. It is also given in the treatment of breast cancer in selected women and men with the metastatic disease. Advanced androgen-dependent carcinoma of the prostate is also associated with estradiol. Now move with the next drug, that is oestrone. Name itself indicate there is a ONE, means keto group is present in the structures. So instead of hydroxy group of the above structures of 5 at 17 positions, here the keto group, this ONE for this 17th keto group present in the structures. Oestrone is a mammalian estrogens. It's an aromatase C18 steroid with a 3 hydroxy groups and 17 keto groups present in the structures. Here third position, the hydroxy groups, 17th position, keto group, and total C18 steroid moiety, that is estrogens. The APC name is 3-hydroxyestra 135 trines 70 ONE. These drugs, oestrogens, are produced from androstenediones or testosterone by estradiol in vivo. Mainly it is formed in the ovaries, placenta, peripheral tissues by the conversion of androstenediones. This is the structure of oestrogens, C18s along with keto group and hydroxy group present in the structures. And this is the IPC name for this estrogens. Now move with the next drug, that is diethyl stilbestrol. Their short form for this drug is DES, diethyl stilbestrol. It is also known as stilbestrol or stilbestrol. Is a non-steroidal estrogen molecules. Before these drugs, all are the steroidal drugs. These are the non-steroidal estrogen molecule. It is a synthetic and non-steroidal estrogen of the stilbestrol groups and differ from the natural estrogen estradiols in various ways. It was proposed that the distance between two DES phenolic hydroxy group was the same as 3 OH and 17 OH distance of the estradiols. If you compare with the estradiols and diethyl stilbestrol structures, the distance between hydroxy group of estradiols is exactly similar distance with the DES. They could both fit with the same receptor due to the distance similarity. Modern medicinal chemistry have shown that the OH to OH distance to be actually 12.1 angstrom unit in DS, whereas in estradiol 10.9 angstrom unit. In aqueous solution, however, estradiol have 2 water molecule is included in the distance measurement. There is a perfect fit with 2 hydroxy group of DS. This is a modern medicinal chemistry suggests that due to the 2 water molecules present in the estradiol, after inclusion of this 2 hydroxy group in estradiol, the distance between 2 hydroxy group is similar to the DS. Due to the similarity of the distance, they perfectly fit with this 2 hydroxy group of DS in the receptors, where the estradiols are fitted. This shows that water have an important role for estradiol. These are structures. If you compare with the estradiols and diethyl stilbesterols, this is structure of estradiols and this is structure of diethyl stilbestrol. This is a non-steroidal moiety. There is a no steroidal structure present in the DS, and the distance of these hydroxy groups, which is present in diethyl sterols, and estradiol, which is exactly similar with this distance, that is 12.1 angstrom unit distance between estradiols and diethyl sterobisterol. That's why this reason diethyl sterobisterol perfectly fit in the pocket of the receptor where the estradiols are fitted. This is an important fact related to the DES, diethyl sterobisterol, or nothing but called as structure activity relationship with the diethyl sterobisterol. In the trans DES, that is diethyl sterobisterol, the distance between two phenolic hydroxy group is exactly similar with the androgenic estrogen receptor fitting angle, that is 12.1 angstrom unit distance between two phenolic hydroxy group. Whereas in cis, that is cis isomer of diethyl sterobisterol, the distance between two phenolic group is not comparable to that of estradiols. Due to this reason, the action of estrogen receptor are very weak with the cis diethyl sterobisterol than trans isomeric form of diethyl sterols. So, as the distance not match with the estrogenic receptors, the trans isomers of diethyl sterobisterol is 14 times more active than their cis isomeric forms. The reduction of the double bond of DS result in the 2-diastereomeric of hexastrol. The mesoform of diethyl sterobisterol is active because the hydroxy group distance is maintained in mesoform of the diethyl sterobisterol. However, in the stereoisomers, there is a steric repulsion of the 2-ethyl group present in the diethyl sterobisterol. Another fact, that is phenolic group rotate to relieve the repulsions. The hydroxy distance is changed and constitutively stereoisomer is inactive. If the rotation of these groups are rotate, which relieves the repulsion actions with this diethyl sterobisterols. The structure of diethyl sterobisterols, these are ethyl groups, that's why diethyl, and the remaining structure for stilbesterol. The epicene for diethyl sterobisterol 44-3E hex 3En 34 diels diphenol, or another way you have to written 44 hex 3En 34 diel diphenol is the epicene for this diethyl sterobisterol. The uses for diethyl sterobisterol, this is used for the prostate-like cancers in male. It is used formerly for preventing miscarriage or premature delivery in pregnant women to miscarriage and premature delivery. These drugs, diethyl sterobisterol, was used. And these are the some important questions over related with this part. Androgen, progesterone, estrogens, estradiols, estrones, oestradiols, and this diethyl sterobisterol. These are the some examples related, some questions related with this part. Okay, now we have to move on next session with new ideas, new related with the steroidal part as per your syllabus is concerned. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day for all. Thank you.